I got him all flustered one class because he would bitch about George Bush, and I'd just be like, "Hey, he's a great president, the best." I didn't realize you weren't supposed to like tease.
Yeah.
Him. Yeah, it was the. Oh, that's. He masturbated in class to my shoes. He did? Yes. What? Yes. We were in math class together, and one day in I think it was senior year, and he was staring at my feet one day, and he goes, "Those are nice shoes," and then he dives under my desk and starts messing with him. I'm like, Travis, get the fuck off of me. So he's like, oh, you gotta fucking something else. And then he did it a second time, and I'm like, Travis, if you do that again, I'm gonna hit you. So the teacher finally intervened. He's like, Travis, you gotta stay in your own chair. So he stares at my feet, and he was really flexible, and he takes his foot and he puts it in his crotch, and he starts grinding on his foot, and the class is dead silent except for him. He's like,
yeah, I was gonna say there's gotta be like a creaking sound.
No. And then he just stopped, and nobody did anything. And right after he presumably climaxed, I just walked out of the classroom. I left. Nobody
in the
said
middle
anything.
Of class?
Yeah, I just fucked off. I was like, this is out of control. Yep.
Where did he sit in relation to you? Like, was he behind you?
He was right next to me.
Okay.
Right next to me. He just, like, when he went after my shoes, he just got out from his desk and he dove under mine. Okay. Started messing with my feet.
Jesus.
I never. Maybe
did you maintain full eye contact?
What? He just looked at my feet. He was looking at my shoes. He was all about shoes. So yeah. No, I might not have told that to you because I mean, he's retarded or whatever, so I try not to
special
put him on blast.
Needs Bill.
But that happened legitimately.
We're not recording. Oh wait, we are.
We've been recording this whole time. It has not stopped.
Actually, Bill's mic was not.
One of the mics had to have caught that.
Bill, say words.
Here I am, Lord. I have heard you calling in the dark. What? I will go, Lord, if you need
Billy's
me.
Christian.
I have heard you calling in the night.
Christ God.
I really thought the way it started was going to be Kelly Clarkson.
That's Chick-fil-A.
Calling my name in the night.
Chick-fil-A is the Christ cock.
Is this Nightman?
What?
Are you singing to Nightman?
They're not open on Sundays because the Lord's cock needs a break too. Blue law, motherfuckers.